Oh no, has this already started? I think it has. Hold on. Alright, I didn't know it was going to be that quickly. I'll have to get I'll have to get the camera over. And how do I do this again? It's no, not VLC videos. It's VL42. There it is. Do that. Oh, hey. Alright, this is good enough for now. Yeah, sure. Let's just do that. And then go over here. I'm going to retitle it to, let's see. Oh, live stream. No, I don't want the live stream. 19. Hold on. Oh, come on. Copy. Paste. Why is this so fucking hard, Linux? It just automatically highlights things. Oh, you want this in your clipboard buffer. No, I want the thing I just fucking selected. I hate the primary clipboard buffer. It is the worst fucking design that's ever existed. It pisses me off every single day. I want to go and find the person who did that and seriously just kick them in the face. Just fucking kick. Just I don't watch their, just their nose bleed, things like that. I want to physically injure whoever was at MIT on the Athena project who thought that was a good idea. I know they're probably 85 years old right now. I don't care. It's the stupidest thing I've ever seen in my life. Anyway, I'm going to stop bitching about the clipboard of X. I seem to be the only person who hates it. And we're going to do something different tonight. First of all, I'm streaming, which is already different. And second of all, what I want to do is I talked last night that I wanted to implement that. Hold on, let me see. Ooh, hey. Multiply is probably not the filter that I want. Was it screen? Screen's okay. So I said last night that I wanted to implement the code for the correction site. Oh, that's right. So I can also go to filters. I can do effect filter. Then I can do, where is this one? Crop pad. I do that. And then for left, I just have to I don't know, 500? Nope, even more. What about 1000? Okay, well that's better. Then what about with physical camera? Oh, look at how pretty I am. All right, so that's good. Let's do that. Current stream's bitrate is lower than a recommended bitrate. You recommend that you stream. What the hell is this? Bitrate 6800. Okay, so can I do that? So it says my bitrate sucks. Settings. Stream. Does it? Of course, it doesn't give me any options. Why would it ever give me options? What is this? Hold on. It's got to have some type of options. You bitches. Sample rate, output. Video bit rate. There it is. So 6,000. I could do that. 6123. Recording cannot be paused if the recording quality is same as stream. Okay. Just do apply. I don't know if that will. I don't know if it's dynamic like that. Whatever. If it isn't, then I'll do it the next time this happens. This is my first time doing OBS. Beforehand, I had done this through 4 years ago with a bunch of FFmpeg's crap. Oh, here. The current stream 2400 is, well, I don't know. Oh, I just put coffee into my teacup, which is bad. That tasted terrible. Anyway, let's do the actual work. So, ignoring all of that, we're going to go to... Oh, this is going to probably be a long one. That's why I'm doing the stream. Because I'm going to try to actually get some code. So it's Linux corrections. Is that it? No. I'm gonna try to. I put the. Well, no. It's on the actual URL, so the slides will have it. So if I go down here, and it'd be really nice if it was smart enough to go past one physical screen. That would be amazing. I don't think it is. Screen. No, it's either one or the other. What if I want both, you dumb fuck? Oh, I know how to do that. Add both of them. That's so much smarter. Okay, so we're going to do this. We're going to crop the bottom. I don't know. Let's do 1500. Okay, now let's just do 12. Okay, sure. Then do okay. Right, and then I have to resize the thing. Then I gotta move it over. Do that. Oh my god. There it is. Oh, there's even more content. Even more. Oh, here. Okay. And then I add a second one. A video cap. No, this one. Screen capture. And I add a second one. And this one has, yes, screen 1. Or whatever, because your math is weird. And that's fine. It can go all the way over. I don't mind. And then we just put it over here. And somehow manually line them up. Or what I could do is do the math. But fuck math. So honestly, who wants to do mathematics? What do I look like, a mathematician? I might be forced to. Because eyeballing it, it's not working out that way. A little bit more. Maybe here. A little bit less. Oh no, it's one of those things. Oh, we're just gonna lock that in. It's called a well. And wells make accuracy poor. I'm not gonna talk shit on wells like I talk shit on the clipboard, because it's not that terrible. But they do fuck with accuracy quite a bit. All right, well, here is enough of a screen to work with. I can move this thing out of the way, move it down to the bottom, and then, see? I mean, I've got more screens real estate than what I'm displaying right now. Let's try to put this in a coffee cup. Try to put the teacup near that one. And then I need to get close to the microphone. We can actually start. I don't even know how far in I am. Oh, 8 minutes. Okay, I don't need to watch myself like that. And what was it? This one. Linux corrections. Oh, fuck off. I want to select the text, you dumb. This is why it's overloaded. So yeah, so this is what I had. This is not enough. What I wanted to do was get some type, well, let's forget about CAPTCHA for now. Let's just make sure that I've got a few things. Okay, so let's just make sure that I have the script link on here. That's an easy one. So the script link is docs, google.com, and should have done this all through Git somehow, but I didn't. So let's do share, copy link. No. They give you like this restrictive thing as if I'm like some kind of god, which is stupid. Commenter. Anyone with a link? Yes. It is open-ended. Oops, that's wrong. Wrong server. siliconfolklore.com. I think CDSF. Oh, come on. Yeah, via corrections. Yeah, I already have CAPTCHA in there, but not really. Oh, come on. Why are you slow? Why can't you stream and be remote? Okay, here's the presentation. No, let's just do like a UL. That's what you should do. UL. There's a way to do this that I used to do back in the day. What it was some kind of remote Vim. And I bet you this Vim still has all of those configured. Because you don't need to close out li tags technically. Li href, and then that would be the script of the talk. Li ul. Then we go over here. Look at that, look at that, look at that. I could say, I also have over, this would be 19, geez. So really like, 20 videos, it will be over 20 by the time we get there, on how the sausage was made, that documents all the efforts and so I guess I really need to do for that is create a, how do you do that? It's save, create new playlist. Oh, just do March. Oh, here it is. And then we just do there. And we go out to YouTube. They always recommend bullshit videos. Doesn't really matter. Cleanliness and health. Yeah, right. What the fuck is that? Oh no, this is the wrong one. I want view your channel. Then I want these. And then I want to, my God, is there any better way of doing this? I don't think so. And then it went, oh my God, really? It opened up the tab? Oh, this sucks. Is this the only way to do this? Are there dots? Ooh. It's much better. Well, here's a good question. Will I remember all the ones I did this on? And it's like, oh yeah, it's going to go in the order upon which you added it. So it's going to be way out of order because you just did it in this bizarre thing over here. And the real question is, will I be able to do this without getting in duplicates, right? Let's see. Yeah, I'm going to add, also, I'm going to add the Linux teaser. So why not? Save to playlist. Save to playlist. And then I think this is done. I think I've done them all. Oh, there's more up here. Save to playlist. Oh, that's been done. What about this one? Save to playlist, yes. And now, luckily, I've labeled these numerically, so then we can just do this. So hold on. I don't know what all these things are about. Show more. What the fuck, this one? Alright, so we've got... Oh yeah, it did not go in order, of course. 1, 2... So now this is a sorting problem. Essentially what you want to do is you want to do a divide and conquer manual sort. And it's not that hard to do. This is for, I don't know who's watching this thing. So what I do is I go down to these things, and if it should be like in the lower levels, then we just sort of put it down there. If it's close enough, then we leave it there. If the next one is less than that, then we swap them. So like so. And that's it. Manual sort. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Ooh, I missed 7. Go back and get 7. Home. It's funny, like the subscriptions are probably all me just accidentally typing or clicking on things. Some of these features, it's much more likely that I invoke them accidentally than, you know, something of any real consciousness happens. Save to playlist. There it is. Now I gotta go back to it. Show 21 more. No. What the hell? Oh, this is my friend, actually. I know. It's a... Is it? Is this... Yeah, no, it's a friend of mine. I'm from Tokyo. So what I wanted to do was this. Then 7 up to here. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, 11. We need 11. So let's just go back here and do it. Oh my God, what are you doing? What are you doing? Oh no, this is a studio thing. It's just a studio. Everything's a SPA except for studio. So if I see things that like kind of do a page reload, you know, something's wrong. Here it is. Save to playlist. And sanely written SPAs were kind of fun to work on. It's just that when everything went over to like React or Vue or any of that other crap, that's when it became a pain in the ass. Because then you had a bunch of really tedious and annoyingly bad anti-patterns that just came into what was initially a pretty elegant system. And it just came in and ruined it with a bunch of mediocre IDs implemented poorly. Anyway, we're not going to be using any of that shit, so let's just get out of here. That's good. Oh yeah, I have to actually share this thing. Here it is. Say, over 20 videos has made document all the efforts. Over 25. Let's just do. Oh, come on. I don't want that latency. C25. Let's make this bigger so that people can see it in the future. And can I just... Sausage was made. href equals this. Document all the effort on YouTube. There. So, people ever want to be like, super serious about this, they can they can watch me do this thing over. I mean, like, God, it's probably well over a dozen hours of content. Yeah. So let's just see what happens when we do a refresh, especially after today. Today's going to probably be a dozen hours of content alone. Video of the talk hasn't done. Google slide deck of the talk. You can comment there. Script 25 videos and how it was made. All right, now we have to do this thing. And essentially what I want is very sort of, it could even be a flat file. I already have a guestbook script written, and I can just repurpose that guestbook and then throw a CAPTCHA on it. I think that's the best way to do this. So what we're going to do is, okay, so we're in the directory, that's fine. So I'm going to use mine from the Bootstrap 386. And what I have here is I've got this guestbook. What you're referring to as Linux is, in fact, I've recently taken it to calling GNU plus Linux. Linux is not an operating system, but rather another free component of a fully functional. Oh my God, who does... The really is Linux and these people are using it, but just part of the system. Linux is like, oh my God. Oh, that's pretty cool. Hello, darling. I need 7 million of funds or else I expose your news to the world. Please kindly and promptly thanks. This is all so funny. Especially in this spam book. Oh, when did this happen? Yeah, it's fun. It's pretty fun. I come over here and people are having a good time. Yeah, and so what this is that actually it has all these filters in here to see whether somebody's trying to spam or not, or it's a bot. And oh man, is it loading, or is it? Every now and then it just cannot load. Because it runs out. it just gives me a big nope. So here, look the spam book right there. See how big it is? It becomes giant. So then I have to like just spam book it to, I guess, like I'll have to log rotate it. That's what I should really do. Yeah, that should be the then well, it's not really log rotate because there's always going to be crap in here, like 27,000 lines. All right, so let's just do 1, I don't know, 50,000 delete. And it just decides no. So look at all those. Okay, so now here it is. Yeah, and it's just nothing but spam. And if I had pagination, it wouldn't be a problem. That would be hilarious. Certainly something I'd like to work on one day is it has like 25 posts. Then it says like page 1 out of, I mean, WCL spam book. It's not really, because I've done that same technique a few times. But yeah, 85,000 is about right. Yeah, that's about right. Yeah, and these things just come in all the time. Fuckitall.pro, porn sites, online slots, boards pro. Yeah, it's a fairly effective spam thing, to the extent that like stuff like this can still get through. Like it has some things in here that kind of really, I might as well show you, that really foil the bots. So this very simple thingy right here, where basically I have this nonce thing and a hash value over here, and then I do a server-side check. That effectively destroys the spam bots. I know, it's crazy. In fact, screw it. I'll just do the same thing. It's a capture-free way of doing spam bot prevention, and it works. I'm not saying it always works. However, it's worked on this small fry site for quite some time. I know that if somebody wanted to target it, it'd be fucked. But I could just copy over the entire guestbook code. Yeah. Screw it, just copy it all over. I'll get rid of the Y2K bug that I initially put in. I could show it to you. In fact, when we do it, we'll just do that. Then that makes it much easier. Initially what I was going to do is I was going to make it like, I would like prompt the GPT and we'd have a lot of fun tonight. And I'd be like, oh, I don't want to do this myself. Like, let me just get xclip not found. Well, fuck you. I think I can just do locate guest. Hold on. I know how to do this. This is HFS. Mictor temp www. SSHFS 90LDS temp www. Temp www bootstrap. Oh, come on, bootstrap. Oh, come on. Oh. I gotta do it twice. Then I can do the cat guestbook HTML xclip. And then I can just do a cat to guestbook.php. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, guestbook. How do these new lines come in? I don't want those in there. So there's a way of doing this. I can do cat guestbook grep v and then like this. There's probably better ways of doing it. Then I just do something like TT and I move TT to guestbook. There's like ways to do it with sed. We can like set it and delete the lines and then do like inline replace, but how fancy do you expect me to be? Oh my god, we have a UUID and we're ripe MDing. There you have it. Oh, that's funny. I've got a zip bomb in there for somebody who's being a real abusive bastard. I don't care about the zip bomb anymore. I don't care about the footers anymore. And then I also had, in fact, let's just go over here. Because Silicon Folklore guest book. There it is. Sign our guest. That's right, because it was either guest or spam based on the URL stream. So we have this one, sign. Oh my god. Oh, here. None of that shit matters. In fact, what I could do is this. And really what I want to do is I want to cat the guestbook to... This is way slow. Cat the guestbook to corrections. And now what I want to do is use VI. I think I can do SSH : // I think this is how this works. I don't remember. Let me try this. Var wwsf No. Vi remote file over SSH. There's a way to do this. SCP. Okay. There we have it. Oh my god, now it's local. Isn't that nice? Then when I do this, it does the SCP over. Now, there's a way to speed this up by using something called master control, or control master. And that keeps the... So basically what you can do there is you then open up a connection, use control master, which has bugs and pluses and minuses, just like everything else in life. But what you do is here, I'm going to go to, yeah, so I'm just going to do, let's just not do that. That's probably not a file I want to be showing. We're going to do host sf hostname siliconfolklore.com, and then it's called SSH. I think it's called control master. Yeah, and then we can just do control master star, or how do we do this thing? Control master auto, and then control path. That's how you do it. And so then what we do is we quit this one, and then I do SSH SF, and now I'm over there. And then instead of doing this, I then back up and I call this thing SF. And it's using control master, so it should be faster. There, that's much faster than it was before. Look at that. Nice. Anyway, so let's just go through here. Let's see. Durable tech lines we tell ourselves. That's fine. Scale talk. Okay. So, move the microphone closer. What I want to do is learn how to use Emacs, so then I don't have to deal with Vim anymore because I'm so over it. But here I am. I've been wanting to use Emacs or moving over to it for at least 15 years, and I'm still haven't done it. Let's just split. And I mean, I have to. I shouldn't say that. I've given it its due. But I keep coming back. I just keep coming back. And let's try another one. Let's just do a UUID. I mean, they are free. Okay, sounds good. Close out the quotes. Ripe is fine. Nonce is that. EE is doesn't matter. Oh, is EE the error? Oh, it's the Easter egg. The Easter egg was fun. I'll show you the Easter egg. Why not? So if you don't do, oh shit. If you don't do anything over here, and if you just click sign, then you get this thing. And this is so I was able to achieve this slow loading thing. This is an actual animated GIF where each sort of block is on a 1 second delay. Then this is an EGA 16 palette that's done in Floyd Steinberg, which is how things used to be done. And then this is a WAV file. So with a real audio animated thing over there. So yeah, so then it gives a nice sort of authentic look to the loading. Anyway, we don't need the Easter egg. We don't need that. Oh, that's another thing, is that this was done using only old school HTML tags. As you can see, this is like except for this exception right here. But even there, it uses document right. So all of this probably would work in Netscape Navigator 4. I think I've tested it in there. I even use this thing as a little joke up here to make it look like it was done in that. Oh yeah, I cheat with the style sheet, but the style sheet's extremely, extremely small. Oh, and I had to, because what did I have to do? Oh, the font. Yeah, so the style sheet is a cheat for the fonts to get them to be not, what is that thing called? Anti-aliased. And yeah, other than that, everything is super authentic. I have to do this thing manually since the background these days is white and not the old school gray. But yeah, other than that, it's okay. And I think it will still load behind HTTP. So you don't even need modern HTTPS for that. Whoa. So let's see. Let's get rid of this thing so you can see me better. Oh my gosh. And then I don't need that anymore. Don't need that. Move out of the side. Don't need that. What is this? Oh, that's right. So that went into document. Don't need that. Don't need that. Don't need that. I actually only use this machine basically to make these videos. Otherwise, I'm in my bedroom and I've got other machines back there. So, and when I'm done recording, I'm just exhausted and I just go back. Oh, I don't need the XNS right now either. So, and that's like, oh no, keeping this thing open is what keeps Control Master running. And then that is gthumb. That's fine. Keep it open. All right, that's okay. So, Stable Diffusion something. That's for something else. The project that I was working on. All right, let's go over to here. So we've got Easter egg. Nope. We're gonna the boot. All these references are going away. Don't care about that anymore. Request method post, that's fine. We're going to trim. This is our old guest book, and that's fine. Go over there. SF. I wish there's some issues with the latency of something that I'm dealing with. Touch. And we're just not going to go to spam book. So we don't care about the verb anymore, because that's not part of the code. All right. So we don't care. So here, we don't. Only if this thing is there do I care. And this thing, I don't care anymore. Source, don't care. Oh yeah, this thing. This is the Y2K bug. I don't care about that. That was funny. But we're gonna do Y. No, just do date YMD. Like so. Alright, we're stripping all those things, that's fine. Then this, we don't care about that either. But we do have our this. This is important. We don't care about that as well. We're just gonna go with some really shitty version. Name, email, message, mistake. Message, mistake, fine. And then mistake, we want. Right, that's fine. That's fine. Oh, did I not clean out? I'm not strip tagging everything. Somebody could have a name. Yeah, somebody could actually put their name as like, actually, I bet you that would work. Hold on, bootstrap36.com, guestbook, name, Terminator. If I do, let's do you, no, let's just do you. And let's do, just be fun. Big, big, big. Just to make it, you know, authentic. Yeah. I never did. You can put arbitrary, I think you can put literally arbitrary, doesn't strip the HTML from that at all. So you can just do script injection in there. Oops. Alright, let's just go over there and pretend like that didn't exist. Guestbook. .json. Last one. Then guestbook HTML. Strip tags. Post name equals strip tags trim. Oh, come on, comma. Post name. There's a parentheses I've forgotten. Yes. Oh my God, I broke the page. Okay. And 1, 2. I think it keeps going here. Oh, because that is what I need to do. Let's just go over here. And oh, it's the same message, that's why. I already filtered that out. There it is. It works. Load page. Done. Good, 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 good. I don't have any, there's no sophistication of like replies or anything, but it's okay. Bundestrap. I don't even know what language that is. 7 trillion. Okay. So what I'm going to do instead is down here say for each name. I think it was where'd it go? Correction. As field. Then we just do this. And in fact, I don't care. They can call themselves with bold if they want to. Just don't put scripts in there. Ah. Then, really what it is the proper way to do this then would just be a document write for a 302 redirect to the original page. So it's like a header location redirect in PHP. It's called 302 header PHP example. I don't remember. No. Yeah, location, there it is. So then you can just do header location HTTPS siliconfolklore.com / what's it at? It'd be like Linux correction, was it? Just, yeah, let's spell it right. Exit. All right. Folklore. Yeah, okay, cool. That works fine. So now, let's keep going. So let's go to corrections. Okay. Oh, look at that. So, oh, I'm not allowing short code. Oh, wow. We're gonna do move corrections .php vim htaccess corrections then HTML do this. Those corrections. That's fine. Then over here, it's gonna be var. So patch. Oh. SF. Varlog Apache tail FSFR. Okay, that's fine. 144. Sure, why not? Okay, okay, okay. Go down here. I don't care about the recaptcha anymore. I'm just gonna do this. Don't care. Entries. Don't care. It could be a table. I don't give a shit. We can call it guest book. So we don't care about this spam book now. Not that. And it'll be that. And screw it. Correction. This is no longer the case. Oh. Fucking. What's all this crap? I don't care. That's all I should have form. That's fine. Is this a material somewhere? It's just input type cement. That's it. Let's do that. Pretty that works. No. That's fine. That's right. Now that's a wrong machine. There's a way of doing that. I think it's I. Is it? Oh. No. No, what was it? It's get remote file view SCP vim. How do you do that? Yeah. Was there? Here, my question is that I think that there was remote directory. There's a very sort of netrw is right. So up here it's ASCP Ooh, there it is. Then I wanted to look at the style. There's silicon. That's fine. Then I can do. Sure, I keep it on left or whatever that is. Just gonna. No, why would that ever work? There. I forget how to. There should be a nice, easy way of resizing that, but I forget how to do that. My mouse isn't working at all. Whatever. Input. Display flex. Text area. Oh, is this outside of the actual input? Oh, it is. Look at that. No. See what's happening over here. There it is. There it is. And then I could just do an empty label. Like this. A label for NA. Like that. Then I'll force that same length to be observed. Like so. Then I do blah blah bullshit. I say ha 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 ha. And email is bullshit@bullshit.com. And this is what's going to happen. Is that I'm going to get some errors. It's not going to work. Because this is a computer program. And I never get things right the first time. Undefined variable, and there it is, line 32. Oh, can I just do this? Okay. That's fine. Passed. Permission denied. Oh, that was pretty close. Pretty close, actually. All you need to do is really do something like this. I don't know why. Oh yeah, because I have to be a root because of this fucking thing I never fixed. That's the default setting, right? Is it Control B? Yeah, okay, cool. Var. No, it's not. It's var WSF. Then, one better than a devil, we do this. And we do. Oh, but the refresh worked. There it is. There it is. There it is. Now all I have to do is just make this thing not suck. We're gonna do... Let's not do a table. Let's do a div. Let's put the name first. Let's make that fine is fine. I don't care. Let's just end the div there. Then do div. Just replace them with divs right now. Then, okay, not bad. It's a bit better. Then what we're going to do is make that not an HR. Instead, what I'm going to do is have white space to do it and say class comment. And that thing I wanted to do here, we're just going to say comment padding 1 rem, 2 rem. Okay. Control. Oh, give me a break. There it is. That's not what I want. That's going to be div class mistake. Div class correction. Get rid of the table. Copy it up. Move that one over. Move that one in. That one out. That one in. That one over here. Then we're going to go into... Actually, that's exactly what I wanted to do. Oh, hello again. Then over here, we want to... vi guestbook.json. 3 identical. Oh, come on. Oh, come on. For each entry list. Oh, is there errors? There might be errors. No, there's no errors. It's only coming in as one. No table, no entry. This should have, oh look, there's more content. Cool. P. Awesome. We're not going to do that. We're going to do this as P. Small is fine. P is fine. And it's going to say something like H4 Mistake. H4. Oh yeah, sure, that's fine. What's 6 at? No, that's not good. What about 3? I don't want to actually. Oh, that's fine. I think 4 was actually okay, right? Yeah, 4 is nice. So then we're gonna do stack. We're gonna have something called correction. And down here, it's gonna say something like, I don't want this to be part of it. So essentially, what I want is inspect. Whoa, go smaller, go away. I don't know why the other ones aren't here. Yeah, that's insane. Let's just do this. No. No, that's not it at all. There's like things I should never have on like some kind of public forum. SF, RWSF. I mean, none of this stuff's that important. What the fuck? Oh, the devil. E, CP, SF. Did I do that? var WWSF? I guess I didn't. Alright. Then I have to have this SESS. Oh, that's what the I thing does. I knew it had something kind of cool here. And then like T. Is that it? Yeah. Last time I used it was probably 14 years ago. Comment. Then, oh, yes, he's still buggy. There's bugs in there I've never fixed. Actually, let's just do this. Corrections, quit that. Then we go over to the corrections. Yeah, I was on like I even have the old laptop that I did this stuff on still. It was on a Core 2 Duo in like 1280 by 1024, I think. Just sitting over there. Yeah. A 2006 machine. Past midnight. I wouldn't be surprised. 12:17. So, I mean, good news is it's working, right? It's doing stuff. Like this is not broken. It takes corrections. It uses the filtering system I had developed for the Bootstrap, which is not perfect, but it's better than nothing. So, it's not going to get the spammers spamming me and catch those. And now all I want to do is get this to not look so dog shit. And really, it's going to be something like I want each of the comments to be slightly something like border 1px on I don't know, blue or something like that. That's fine. This isn't a prefer blacks kind of here. Oh, is that an XNest? Yeah, can you not be an XNest, please? Cool. So let's go with that gray, which is EEE. And we don't actually want that to be the border. It's just gonna look like dirt. So instead what we do is we make that a box shadow. Box shadow. We put 0, 0, and then we put like a 2, 3, and a 2px. And we drop this. And that's a bit better, but not really. Let's try this. It's not terrible. Looks terrible on the dark one. So let's just do this. Why did that not go away? Oh, that's right. Because this way of doing things, it has a bug in that sometimes it's very, very, very easy to close out something. And I never fix that. Those things are now my fault. So then what we want to do is an RGBA, and then that makes it a 240, 240, 240, and then I think it's like a 10, or how does this thing, I forget, is that decimal? Oh, it's decimal. So we want 0.8, 0.8, 0.8. No. Is it 100 based? 50, 50, 50. No, I think it's two. I think it's, is this thing fractional? That thing's fractional. And the rest is not. So I can do 100, 100, 100. Then we have, okay, that's not terrible. Then we go up here to this thing. Comment. And we're going to do 0.5 by 1. Tuck it in a bit. Then we want to do something like a 1. Tuck that one in a bit. I think, let's just go in here and do it manually. Let's bring this thing down to 1. Right? Isn't that? Am I going crazy? Oh, I am going crazy. That's the blur one. So actually, I want the opposite. I want that to be like an 8, and that to be like a 1 or 2. So something like this. So that should be like an 8, and that should be like a 2. Ooh, nice. That's much better. Okay, let's go to the next one. So we got in here. That's fine. Then I want to have, that's okay, the P. Oh, okay, so that P I don't care about, actually. I want, yeah, I think there's another character I can do that removes that. Let's make that P Ah. Oh, here it is. Awesome. So then I don't need the P's anymore. And then I'll make that spacing fix itself. Yep. So then what I can do is, alright. Then that's the H that's doing that arc for me. And at that point, what I really want is the comment H4 of a margin, top of 0. Or is that padding? What did I call it? Oh, okay. Oh, that's almost okay. 0.5 REM. Okay. But then the P there has that value. And I almost want that to be a little bit in. So I almost want to have like, instead of putting P margin top, let's just have P margin bottom. Yeah. Comment P margin bottom, no margin top 0. And I'm okay with those things tucking. Oh, give me a break. Yeah, margin top 0. Oh, the H4 is doing it now. Now it's doing all the work. Oh, there's that thing where I accidentally hit the I. Yeah, because the Q is right next to the W. And so it allows for this huge bug to happen just quite frequently. This is like the control W, control Q thing. Yeah, it's the same nature of bug. All right, well that's not terrible. I actually want that to be a little bit bigger and have a less of a font weight. So something like so all of this thing you don't want, you want to have, then that should actually be a next line, like here. And maybe even put it at the end. Then let's just do that. Let's just do this is margin right 3 REM. No. Because actually I want the entire thing to be right aligned at that point. So I want to have comment sig text align right. Oh, come on. Oh, dot seg. Cool. Then I want to have this. And I want the entire thing to be like font weight 400. Or, do I have 300? I do. Do I have 2? 2 is pretty good. Font weight 200. Font size 1.25 rem. 1. It's okay. This should be even more subtle. It's still too pronounced, actually. Oh, because I haven't changed. 8, 2. Sure. H4, let's just do a font weight 700. Ooh. Down here. That's nice. That's nice. Then I'm curious, but I think there's a bug here. So it shouldn't. Second, are these uniques? Let's try. No, they're not uniques. Then what's going on there? Am I JSON? It's like, well, it's like line by line, right? Am I going crazy? Array reverse file guestbook.json for each entry as row. Cat guestbook.json. Oh, here it is. Okay, so now we have a new issue, which is that you want a little bit of breathing space in between each of those. That's fine. We're going to do silicon.cs. Then for each of these comment marks, margin bottom 1.5 rem. What? What? That's okay. Yeah, but why did that all break down? What the fuck? Oh yeah, so now we're gonna do scale Linux, no, yeah. Then speakers schedule Saturday, ballroom, go here, say in 2024, href, then there it is. It's going to say Linux scale talk comments and feedback and corrections. Oh, it's below the fold, isn't that nice? Corrections. That's nice. Let's just do that. We're going to do that as this, H1, H2 within that. It's probably not going to work because H1 has all of these. Yep, of course not. So what we're going to do is an H. These things can be embedded. Of course they can. Of course they can. They can, but you are not accepting it. H1. Oh, what planet you think is that legible? It's like, oh yeah, you know. I mean, I don't know how. I mean, each of those letters are like, they're in the millimeter size. Oh, you can't embed. I thought you could. So you got to do something like, oh, I don't know, span. There's these rules about paragraphs and block elements versus non-block elements, and I don't remember what they are. So then I can do silicon. Oh, that's right. All of my things are broken. That's why I used to do I in all those things, is because there's different keystrokes there that I was accustomed to with the Nerd-Free plugin I've been using for 20 years. So here we want to do an H1 span. Oh, H2 small. Sure, let's just try that. Looks like I already have that. Where are we at? What do you think that's going to do? Oh, nice. All right. Center is technically deprecated. Has been for a long time. But it still works. Not supposed to do center. I don't care. This is the feedback page. There it is. Oh, that was not. What the hell is that? What? What? Script to talk. Make sure these things happen. Go over there. And go slow. And then you say comment. Comment. Just do that. Say something like the YouTube as well. All right. Social media, it's everywhere. What is it? User generated UGC was the acronym. So anyway, that was I have the feature complete now. What was that? An hour? It's not bad. Yeah. Let me make sure it works. Go into slideshow mode. Whoa. That's stupid. So let me get my phone out. Get a lens. Go here. Open it up. And oh no. Oh no. Couple issues. First of all, the text came out black, and okay, so here's what it looks like. Yeah, it looks terrible. So let's just go back and fix those issues. So Control M, I think it is. Yeah, there it is. Cool. So here's issue number 1, and that's because I do not respect here, let's just do this. Then do... There it is. Oh, just pressing Enter works. That's what I should do. That's probably what my fix was. I probably fixed this 14 years ago. I just completely forgot what my fix was. Yeah, maybe I made that work. Maybe that's the default. I don't know. Who knows? Blow off the dust on my vimrc script. Oh, right. So what I want to do is just the default. Unless otherwise noted. Good. Then number 2 is where's my Firefox? Here it is. And that would be because label. Oh, that's why. Min width 15 rem. people are like, oh, we have to do display flex and all these other kinds of like weird things. And you're like, yeah, you could, but not for this. I'm not against Flexbox. I've certainly used it many times. It's just that people don't know what they're doing. There it is. And it's not a substitute for oh, I have a Flexbox right here. What is it? It's no, type equals text. I don't know why this thing's not going over. Should have. Is that because of the width? Input. Oh, it's not. There is no type, actually. Oh, there's my bug again. I'm just so accustomed to doing that damn thing. And it's my bug, as in like it's the one in my head. There it is. Okay. Then again, I do not care. It looks. Tell me how what's it called? There's a word for that. It's a fancy word too. Like, hold on. That's a nicer button. People would say, oh, I forget what the fancy word is. But you're not supposed to use these things because they're center and bigger, both forbidden. As a small. But I forget what the fancy word is that people like to use. So we're going to do... It turns out I don't actually care. This is also forbidden. People say this is a bad idea. Inline CSS is a terrible, terrible sin. If I was in a job interview, they'd snag me by the ears and drag me out. Tell me what kind of great sin I've created against them. But it turns out, sometimes it's totally acceptable. Because you really are just using something once. Oh, also, in React, this is how they always do it. There's the anti-patterns I was talking about. How like, oh yes, or not only is it out, but also in Bootstrap, is that there's like MB-3, MB, so people would just do class, div class equals blah, 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 and they're essentially doing inline style. I mean, it's the same thing when you see the stuff with 17 classes assigned to something for certain kinds of weird styles. It's the exact same fucking thing. They're doing these one-off inline stylings, and they've abstracted it through this class thing. So they have a little bit of ceremony to hide behind and say, "Oh no, see, we're following all that." No, you're doing, but in practice, this isn't anything different. Yeah. So let's see. I know that stuff works. That works. That works. That works. That works. That's fine. All right. And that's correct. So it's real. Yay. And it's 142. Oh, I love it. Isn't that fun? Look at all this. Look at all that. Look at that. That's pretty fun. Longest one yet, but this feature's now done, so I feel much better. Oh, No Starch Press. It is a press. They do books and stuff. I know the founder, and it's a publisher through a Linux user group from Davis, California, a long time ago. And I know a few people that are authors, or used to. I don't know about these days. I don't know who these people are. And I've talked off and on. Oh, Norm Matloff. See, I know that guy. Off and on about doing a book through him. But I haven't been able to get him interested. And they have so many of these things. And I think that something like my talk or whatever, those types of things, it would be, I don't know, it might be outside of their wheelhouse, right? Because most of these things are these technical books. Science and math, system administrator, early access, art and design, general. Let's look at general computing. So we've got yeah, see, none of these are really what I do. And I guess my interests from at least 2016 onward to today has been trying to combine marketing theory, the Harvard Business School sort of startup theory of how businesses get to run, along with socialist and anarchist economic analysis and organizational theory, and open source or other types of software development processes, and then trying to create that as a systems hybrid for structuring technological progress, which is, my talk is an analysis of that. And so this is kind of the academic road I've been going on for a long time. This is the first time I'm going to give a real presentation for it. So it's going to be interesting. There's really nothing I've seen that is this style of history, if you will. And so it's very much coming from, I'm kind of buffaloing them coming from left field, like, oh, thanks. Here's something crazy. I think I'm just gonna do it, and people will be like, whatever. But so the worst thing that could happen is nothing, right? I'm like, that's interesting. I'm indifferent. And the craziest thing that could happen is I can ask to do it again somewhere else, and somebody says, hey, you want to do a book on it? Or somebody says, hey, you want to do an article on it for some like legitimate publication, something like that. Then it's like, okay, now that's serious. Now people are really interested. What is it? It's optimism of the will, pessimism of the intellect, optimism of the will. I think that's it, right? It's by who'shamacallit, some socialist. Like, watch Adolf Hitler. Yeah. Gramsci, of course. He's an anarchist, actually. Pessimism of intellect, optimism of the will. So, yeah, it's basically like I want to, I presume that nothing's going to happen, and for the most serious or substantial consequences coming down. But, I don't say, I am entitled to this. Although it looks like people who do play that role end up becoming more successful, probably because the entitlement puts some performance pressure, perhaps. So it's not always necessarily a bad thing. What's going on here? I'm done. Should probably commit that to some kind of source repository sometime. Let me try this again. So, if I don't think that I'm any good, then I may or may not put effort into something. But if people say, you're the best and you deserve it, or something like that, some kind of entitlement role, then I statistically may be more likely to put more effort into it. And so therefore, people who have that chutzpah, maybe it pays off for them. I don't know. Anyway, that's just 2 hours. Fuck it. That's good enough. Well, you got to see me do some developments in my rare programming, and I'm just going to stop streaming right now. I'll do another performance of the script stuff tomorrow. But hey, I am actually ending before I usually begin. Not bad. Let's see if I can get it before noon tomorrow. All right, bye.